Hello students, welcome back to our new video session. This video is for class 3. Today we are starting a new chapter number 6, Money. Checkpoint 3, question number 4. The price of a bag is rupees 789.25 but Prem has only rupees 458. How much more money does he need to buy the bag? So solution. As we know, the cost of a bag is rupees 789.25. So amount that Prem has is rupees 458. So as we can see, we have written 789.25 and in this we have written 458. Then we'll put decimal and then we'll write 00. Okay. Now in the next step we will write amount that Prem falling short equals to rupees 789.25 minus 458. So we'll write 5 as it is, 2 as it is, then we'll put decimal. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3. Amount that Prem falling short is rupees 331.25. So therefore, Prem need rupees 331.25 more to buy the bag. Question number 5. The cost of a t-shirt is rupees 876. The shopkeeper offers it for rupees 476.50. By how much has the shopkeeper reduced the price? So solution. Cost of a t-shirt is rupees 876. Cost of a t-shirt after discount is rupees 476.50 paise. So 876 minus 476.50 paise. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 6, it is not possible, so we have to borrow. This 7 will become 6, this 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 7, it is not possible, so we have to again borrow. This 8 will become 7, this 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 7 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore, cost of a t-shirt reduced the price by rupees 399.50 paise. Checkpoint 4, question number 1, multiply. Part B, rupees 16.50 paise multiplied by 6. Now, first of all, we will write rupees and paise. In the rupees column, we will write 1616 and then we'll put decimal and then we'll write 5050 in paise column. Now we have to multiply it by 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, we'll write 0, carry 3. 16 6 are 96, 96 plus 3 is 99. Now we will count from right hand side 1, 2 and then here is a decimal. Now in the answer we will count from right hand side 1, 2 and then we'll put decimal. So our answer is rupees 99.00 paise. Question number 1, multiply part C. Rupees 98.75 paisa multiplied by 4. So here we will write rupees and then paisa. In rupees we will write 9898, then we'll put decimal and write 7575. Multiply by 4. So 4 5s are 20, we'll write 0, carry 2. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. We'll write 0. Carry 3. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. We'll write 5. Carry 3. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Now, in the question, as we can see, decimal is after 2 digit. From right hand side, we will count 1, 2 and then decimal. In the answer also, we will count from right hand side 1, 2 and then we'll put decimal. So, our answer is rupees 395.00 paise. Checkpoint 4, question number 3, word problem. If the cost of one chocolate is rupees 5.50 paise, how much will 5 chocolates cost? Solution. Cost of one chocolate. We will write cost of one chocolate is rupees 5.50 paise. Cost of 5 chocolates equals to rupees 5.50 multiplied by 5. So 5 zeros is 0, 5 5s are 25, we'll write 5, carry 2, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. Therefore, cost of 5 chocolates is rupees 27.50 paise. Question number 4. In a fair, Ravish earned rupees 1050 by selling toys. How much did he earn each day if the fair ran for a week? So, solution. Ravish earned in one day equals to rupees 1050. Ravish earned in a week, in 1 week, or we can write in a week. In 1 week there are 7 days. So we will write 1050 multiplied by 7. So 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, we'll write 5, carry 3. 7 zeros is 0 plus 3, we'll write 3, 7 1s are 7. So therefore, Ravish earned in 1 week or in a week rupees 7,350. This is our answer.